explain it. There's two new ones.
I wanna be a
Wait. There's two new ones.
Wait, did you play?
That was so revenge.
Are you guys gonna tell the new people?
You have to watch.
You're just going like this.
No, there will be a coin.
Someone learn.
And that yet will know where.
So Daniel has the coin.
Okay.
So
Get it.
we're gonna pass it around.
Oh, okay.
So the goal is not to
What is it? Okay.
sound that you have the coin.
Got it.
Because if you have the coin and she gets it, you're gonna win.
Okay.
Zini, when you're like this, you go like this and open your hand.
Yeah.
And if you get the coin,
So
then
it's like
you pass
this?
it on.
Like
Yeah,
this?
yeah, like
But
that.
you have to be smooth
Yeah, like
about it because I'm watching and I have to guess who.
Oh, you're watching.
Which way?
I'm watching.
Oh,
so I
okay.
have to
Do I go like this?
Okay.
I'm it, tag. I'm it. Now she's in.
Just like, Evan, if you don't have it, put both out so you're ready to receive it.
Oh, okay.
Be a tutubi na walang tinatagong bato sa aking kamay. Lalahulog sa'yo ang siluka ng bato na nanggaling sa
He's watching.
Oh, she's a good guesser! Good job! First try!
I was like this. I was like, oh, so sorry.
She's starting!
Wait, who has it started? You don't show us the hand, just show us the coin. What?
Okay!
Everyone close your eyes.
I wanna
Be a tutubi na walang tinatagong bato sa aking kamay. Lalahulog sa'yo ang bato na nanggaling sa aking
Hello.
One more guess.
Oh, finally!
Now we can start the party.
My friend!
Oh my God.